Ladies and gentlemen, it is indisputable that support for the media is indispensable for Zimra to successfully execute its mandate. At every opportunity, let's engage. If you hear there's a Zimra gathering, please just introduce yourself and come in and take what you need to take so that you'll be able to report effectively.
Journalism acts as a drive of change and forms the foundation and a healthy information environment that can help the world deal with challenges of our times and achieve a sustainable society. Studies have found that the more effective way to achieve tax compliance is primarily more way with tax education. This is where media comes in. This is where we find your role. It is important because you are the biggest source information for our population and the biggest source of information for the taxpayers. So when the media is reporting more on tax issues, on tax education, and if you are capacitated and you know what's happening at Zimra, what improvements are happening through digitalization, what tax means, what is the role between taxation in the achievement of SDGs, there are a lot of things that are happening, but not much is being mentioned about them. There are a lot of things. So that's how people will link, that is how the general public will link what's happening to my taxes. Your work as Zimra, your work as media personnel feeds into tax compliance and morale of our public. Even as we are encouraging to report positively, but also we are not saying we should bring out the issues of corruption, we should bring out things which we think we should improve.
We want to increase tax morale. We want to challenge the behavior. People should feel very much ashamed if they do not fully pay their tax. That's what we want to demonstrate. And we believe that can only happen if it's understood, read, or even one consumes various media texts that our colleagues are going to generate from this end. Because that way is the only way we can change behavior of our citizens. And we believe increasingly people are seeing what's happening on the ground and they want to be part of that success story. Hence the engagement of this of you guys, and we believe at the end we will all contribute towards that behavior change of our citizens and clients.
We realize that it's good for a journalist to be equipped on a number of issues, because for us to be able to tell a story, we need to understand exactly what is Zimra, what is tax, what is taxable, what is not tax, what is happening with the money, how is the money collected, how is the money used, and so on.
We also appreciate Zimra, who are the organizers of this training workshop in partnership with the UNDP. They've educated a journalist, and once they educate a journalist, they've educated a nation. We are now able to report on a number of issues, including classification. How do Zimra classify goods? Which organizations and individuals benefit from the rebates?
As a young journalist here, this has been a great opportunity for me to learn, and it's also an opportunity for me to go out and disseminate correct information and teach the world, the nation, how important taxes are to Zimbabwe as a nation.